Start now. So, first of all, thanks for all the participants who joined here. Happy New Year to everyone. Yeah. So today our Chennai meetup 16. We have Chennai meetup 16 here today, and our topic is Anypoint Code Builder with Einstein AI. Okay. So these are our housekeeping rules. This session will be recorded. The recording and slides of the meetup will be available to all the attendees. So please be muted during the speaker presentation. Questions can be submitted or asked at any time in question and answers chat box. At the end of the demo, there will be Q&A session. Okay, and give us feedback after the session. Rate this meetup session by filling feedback form at the end of the day. Okay. So our agenda is Anypoint Code Builder and Einstein AI, and the key feature of both of them. And so here comes our competitor of Anypoint Studio. So Anypoint Code Builder against Anypoint Studio is the next topic, and prerequisites for Anypoint Code Builder IDE. Then demo Q&A session. Okay. So meetup organizers. So myself, I am working for Bits and Glass India Private Limited as a senior integration lead. I have a total of 12 plus years of experience in IT industry and 8 plus in MuleSoft. And Yogesh Manikyavasaham. So he is the CEO of MuleCraft India Private Limited. He has around 7 plus years of experience with MuleSoft. So this is the request to all members. Please feel free to volunteer for the future Chennai meetup. So what do you expect from these meetups? Please send an email with your expectation and we'll make sure that events reflects the same. Okay. And anything you want to convey to us, you can send us an email. So this is the separate email for Chennai group only, and the LinkedIn uh, group as well. So you can message me anytime. I'm available always 24/7. So about the MuleSoft community, this is the training site we have, and Anypoint platform, anypoint.mulesoft.com, help.mulesoft. So to become a speaker or leader or mentor, please reach out to me. Okay. Okay. Here comes our speaker, Shaktivel Prasad. He has 3 years of total experience in MuleSoft. He is working in MuleCraft India Private Limited as a MuleSoft developer. So over to Shaktivel now.
Yeah, thank you, Lenny.
Okay.
Is my voice audible? Good.
Yes, Shaktivel. I'll stop
Yeah,
sharing. You can take over.
yeah, okay. Myself, Shaktivel, and I'm working as a MuleSoft developer with 3 years of experience in MuleCraft India Private Limited, Salem. So today we are going to say about the Anypoint Code Builder with the Einstein AI. Just a minute, I will share my screen with presentation. Present.
Yeah, we can see now. Yeah, maybe go to full screen, Shakti.
Yeah.
Shaktivel, you can proceed.
Okay.
Your screen is visible.
Trying to, yeah. So, Anypoint Code Builder. So, what is Anypoint Code Builder? It's a developed environment built for MuleSoft developer to design, test, deploy APIs, and integrate quickly. This is based on Visual Studio Code and also for a online. So, it's to many developers who are used to work with one of the most popular APIs. Type allow you to seamlessly manage MuleSoft projects and flow of.
Your voice is breaking, Shakti.
So,
Maybe
this
you
is a
can.
brief introduction of
Shakti, your voice is breaking. Can you turn on your video and speak up? That'll be fine.
Can I switch off my video that make it better? My voice clear now?
Yep.
Thank you for let me know. Yeah. Next, what is Einstein AI? So this Einstein AI is one of the chat we have for integrate our to the Anypoint Code Builder. We give a text kind of format. It gives the XML code to return to us. So in MuleSoft, Engine AI refers to the integration of Salesforce technology, which allows users to leverage generative AI capabilities in MuleSoft platform to build integration and on natural language prompts, essentially enabling fast development with initiative, user-friendly commands instead of writing. So it's particularly useful for tasks like document processing and data extraction within integration flows. So we will see the demo of how to use Engine AI in the upcoming slides. And these are the key features what we need to note. So this is an intelligent code assistance. Means ACB offers smart code assistant to help developers write Mule code more effectively. It includes features like code completion and code suggestion. Then EC MuleSoft project management. ACB to set up project structures. It manages dependencies effortlessly. Additionally, built-in templates help to kickstart your new project based on your requirements. And it's have an option like multi-platform and cloud based. So as a cloud IDE, Code Builder allows you to work from anywhere without having to install a hardware on your machine. So if you work in Anypoint Studio, you need a local, but for a it is cloud based, so it's easy to use with heavy storage complexity. Its browser-based interface ensures that you have access to your process. Furthermore, ACB supports a variety of platforms, making it versatile for developing in different environments. These are the key features and the main any code builder Anypoint builder. So why we need to go for Anypoint code builder and what are the you see here platform we are Anypoint code builder is web based and desktop based. Desktop based. And the user experience Anypoint code builder have code based and this is visual based. So here Anypoint code builder we have XML code, but in Studio we can components and we can we configure the configuration installation process. This can be actual, but Studio we need to install locally. Collaboration, it's easy to collaborate with cloud-based nature. It's better to difficult due to local installation. Chat explains. Anypoint code builder has using Einstein API to improvise the coding experience faster than usual. But in Studio, it does not include our drive functionality or chat-based experience anything. So these are the major difference for the releases. So we see latest releases December 9, 2024. It's still under development. You can see the most of the communities includes the additional features. So in latest releases, this includes what is new. This product is now available on Hyperforce. Hyperforce is like a Salesforce which can see the data. And for Anypoint Code Builder generative is available only on US and EU cloud host. It cannot available in Japan. So and next update we can see that it is available in Japan. And also same for the cloud ID also. So both as well it's only in US and Europe. They fixed some issue which is in previous. If you see here, after see the test and the test symbol is here. New update because it gives some issue to the developer, so they update this issue in the latest update. We are going for the demo session. Before that, we need some pre-cast ID. So we need an active platform account, and if you don't have an account already, need to download in and API Kit extension. Install the latest update as well. I will tell where is API Kit extension and how to download as well. Before we going to demo, you guys have any doubt about anything?
No questions so far. You can proceed, Shakti.
I will go for
Shakti, there is one question. Do we need license to use Einstein AI?
no. We don't want that. We need access from the different platform. So I will tell the step how to access the Einstein. Any other question? So can I proceed with the demo?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. Thank you. So this is my Anypoint platform. So this is my trial account. So for trial account, you guys don't want any license, but for enterprise edition, we have to apply a license to access this Einstein. Uh, directly log in to the access management permission. I already gave. You come here. Here Salesforce under Salesforce. So we see the enhanced endpoint platform with the engine. Here, after we gave up, it will like this. This is one of the step. And to install Anypoint extension. For uh, like install in Visual Studio, we can replica the studio in Visual Studio. I'll show that as well. So here, this is the Anypoint extension pack you have to install. I already installed it in Visual Studio. So once you guys installed it, you can see here this M symbol. So this is a Kit extension. How I install in Visual Studio is, if you go here, this is the extension. You just search for Anypoint code builder extension. So I have installed this extension pack. This extension pack includes 7 extensions. That all here. So just we need to install this one extension pack. That is enough. It install automatically other extension pack as well. So we can see the Anypoint code builder symbol here. So there is a three part. First part is design an API, second is implement an API, third part is development API. They segregated into 3 parts. We are going now with the implement an API. Later I will show design an API. So if we guys click implement an API, let me add the project name, Einstein API. So this is my project location. If we want to add any YAML, we can add here. And this is my runtime version, and this is a Java version. So it requires 19 or Java 11, Java 8 won't work. So if we click create project, okay, I think it's a new Anypoint platform account, so I don't have any session, but okay, I have one file. So this is the process to create. So if we after this add this asset like a YAML asset, we can create project. It directly get into the project. Once you get into the project, just it will create a file under this Mule. It purely based on a Xcode based platform. So we can't drag and drop any components. So if we need to enable the Einstein, you can see there is a 3 option here. This is for reply to CloudHub. This is for our project flow, and this is a Einstein. So if we click here, it will go to the Einstein. Here we need to give a command. So if we give command, it will give the XML code. So this XML code is not replica into your actual XML code. You have to manually insert it. So it's for just a chat tool. It gives suggestions like this XML. That's all. So it directly would not insert here. If you want to insert, just there's one option will show. If we click insert, it will insert, but not automatically. I will show. So okay. I'm just typing what we needed. Create a So I want to Salesforce component. I give a log start logger and logger, and I just use the transfer message for mapping, and after that for response on transfer message. If we click send here, so before I mentioned, right, we have to give the access permission to enable Einstein in Visual Studio. Once we gave, it will look like this. Before it access for request access, that window will show. So make sure that you gave access to access Einstein. Yeah, we see here. We gave the chat, and it will give XML code. So we just copy and we go here. We just right click paste, and I want to create a flow. It will create a flow. So how am I created a how I created a flow? Don't want this. Yeah, now it's in 3 window. So only bit difficult is to handle the space. Little difficult. And yeah, it's good. So this is our XML code, and this is the flow chart. And another one thing, Anypoint Studio is like left approach. This is top to bottom approach. So the flows generating from top is your first, and which is in bottom is your end of the flow. So if you see here, yeah. So how it's start logger. So this Einstein AI gives the almost 90 to 90% perfectly. It's all depend upon our chat, but it gives almost. So now I'm going to see here we have one error because we didn't create any Salesforce connection. For that, I'm going to create Salesforce connection. Yeah, we see here Salesforce config. Giving Salesforce. Yeah, you can see the Salesforce connection here. Username, password, and security token. And okay, one thing. So if we need to add in any if we need to add any component, we just click this plus symbol. We can search locally. So here the core processes, and what we can able to see, and snippets. Snippets is like if we use snippets, it's so what this transfer message is doing. So we use snippets for it. Actually, not here. Need a request component. So I'm adding here. Yeah, it's created a request component. Method is post. So we need to create a configuration, configuration. I'm again going example. Guys, see HTTP listener config. So if I click it's pretty useful. So if we don't know exact code, it's suggesting if we just type H, I just type H and it's suggesting the, so it's pretty useful. Yeah, we created now listener config as well. So make sure that config reference document name. This name is both the same. This config, yeah. And listener, okay. We need to configure Salesforce after click here. Yeah, you can see Salesforce config. So I need account table. So yeah, we get this as well. Oh, there is no error. So if it will give the error inside this space, good, and I need to give path ACB. So we have to add headers, URI parameters. That's all there. So it's pretty different compared to Anypoint. So once we get used to it is also yeah. Then transfer message for mapping. So this take time if I write WL. So just copy the transfer message. I need this is nothing but I'm having a mapping fields like it's around 9 fields. I just want to copy here it will show the where the script. Yeah, this is I just added this mapping field and it's saved. And I added a property here. So if you see under config, I use a dev.yaml. It's a dev.yaml. My Salesforce username and password are there. If we get a connection good, then we are good with username. Start token. Yes. I need to give the connector configuration to this is under config dot YAML. So it will know where this sort of username, password, and token. So I will make sure my sales is, yeah, it's so once connection is good. It will take some time. So, and also for creating project also it will take around like 10 minutes because it install the Java 17 for this particular project. Once you install it, not so with the news Java 8 and Java both, so we don't have to worry. Yeah. So now we can see connection is valid. That means in studio the test connection is successful. Like that here is connection is valid. I want to add a response. So response, I just copy this. This is also just a message, which is status code and correlation ID. I want to give, okay, if we go to the transform message here, yeah, it will show the like, it will highlight the where this transform message in your code. From here, I'm going to change this. I had a status code correlation ID and a type of response. So once we hit, we can see in the response in Postman. Yeah. For that, I need to add a breakpoint. So breakpoint we can add one here. Just we give here, it will add another one of the type is here. So add breakpoint here. So both are data the same only. I don't want it to be a listener. It's enough. Here the option. So we start debugging and run without debugging. So there are two options. If you guys don't have Visual Studio experience, it's difficult to understand what to do. We can use to how to use just a basic video. So meanwhile, I will tell something. So okay, like if we need to, we can see here. This is Salesforce component. Salesforce component already here. So it's already like show the dependency. But if we don't have a dependency here, we need to download it from Exchange. So what we need to do? Where is the Exchange? So for that, if we go here, you can see this option. We just click here. This is the Exchange. So in Studio, it will in Mule palette, so we can able to see easily. But here we have to come here, and if we want to add anything, so I need Amazon S3 connector. Just I type Amazon, so it will show. So just click. Okay, it's downloaded. That is how we have to download a external connector. And we can see it's deployed. Going post to it. So once make sure I gave ACB. Yeah, it's 503. Oh, okay. It didn't add a. So this is another. Just copy this name and just refreshing. Mm, okay, let me take this. I'm trying to manually. It's not doing. Mm, I will show here, but I didn't take this one. Okay, let me retry it again. I just this form. Yeah, now it's coming. So the problem is we create it's still under development, so it didn't recognize this listener configuration which we added before. So what I did now, just I deleted this listener. Again I created this listener. Then I know the configuration. Just give PCB here. Now we are good. Start debugging. I'm again going debugging. Yeah, it's done now. Once it's deployed, we are good to create a Salesforce account. Yeah. So we can see we put breakpoint here, so it stopped here. We want to continue to the next. Just give here. We'll go to the next breakpoint. You next, it will go to the next breakpoint. Take some time.
It's in Salesforce somewhere, something like that.
Ah, sorry.
Seems it fails. You can expand the terminal and see what is the issue. Yeah, something low stack, something is failing. Mapping to Salesforce. That's where it's failed.
Okay. Let me hit it. We can see now we're getting issue. Okay, understand. We are using map. I didn't give the yeah. Now it's a solve. So in what I did now in transfer message, I giving a map. So in input, I didn't give array. That seems the problem. So yeah, we next the process is entered. Okay, it's giving an error. Screen status bad value for restricted picklist field medium. Okay, I can go Salesforce. So it's giving bad value and try to give what they suggested. Status picklist. Okay, I will going workbench. So here we can see the data, object, account. I just need this one. It's okay. Just copy and change value. So now it's giving duplicate record because this record already created or this number is already created. Maybe I can change this number like to 446.
I think Shaktivel's connection lost.
Oh, okay. I,
Yeah, Yogesh, can you call him?
yeah, I'm just doing it. I think he's back.
Is my voice
Yes, Shakti.
okay?
You can go ahead.
Yeah. It seems duplicate record. One Just a second, I will come.
Shakti, you are on mute.
Yeah, sorry. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like something duplicates detected, but it's response giving 200 only.
Maybe you can
So
change the account number and give.
I will change it, but yeah, try another.
Name two. Bye bye. Name two. Yeah.
Okay.
Change the name. Something. Yeah. Salesforce have default, rules for the each accounts actually. I mean, account object.
Yeah, now it's true. So we can get the ID and see the record created or not. Yeah, this is the one. So the name is the problem. So that's why we detected the it's detected duplicate. So the account name communication, which we gave the account number, it's all came now. So this is about my demo. That's we can go with the Q&A.
Yeah.
Next slide.
Yeah.
Okay. Any questions? Anyone? We had few questions in our chat, but Vignesh answered that. But there is another one question. Please check if you can compare the current post feed with the existing data entry from the Salesforce based on the data comparison.
That's our
Can all
issue.
and
That's
okay,
what.
okay, that was issue, right?
Duplicate. Yeah.
Okay, okay. I think no other questions in the chat, but if anyone else want to add something, you can. Sure, Edward, I will enable your mic. Yeah, done.
Hear me? Are
Yes.
we? Yes. Well, just quick question because I tried to follow the presentation and I just to be sure that the main goal was actually showing how we can generate the code of calling behind the Salesforce for using Einstein generator. Is it or there is something special and tricky because I'm just trying to figure out whether I lost really the goal of the presentation.
Is it only showing that one actually? One small how we can prompt it and generate the flows.
Okay, very good. That's a confirmation. No, that's fine. That's very interesting functionality. And you confirm again that with trial account you can get access to this functionality today because it used to be impossible.
Yeah, Eduardo, like this specific presentation is specifically focused on like we when we need to develop any code, right, using MuleSoft, we need to drag and drop everything, set up everything. But using this
Yes,
Einstein AI, right, you can do the initial setup. Like let's say you need
yes,
to give one, yeah,
that
that, that
that's clear. Yes, very good. It just again the issue is well to confirm the assumptions. We received the answer that it is possible for trial account. I wanted just to re-ask this question and mm, uh, the comment regarding usage of trial organization on Salesforce is just the fact that it's for generation of the code. It's only the during the development. Then you connect to your normal organization in it works apparently. Well, okay, I will try just to reproduce this by myself based on the recording. Thank you very much for the presentation.
Thanks, Edward.
Thank you. Anyone has any other question? So I think no, Shakti, we are done. Thank you for your valuable presentation and thanks for your time. Yeah, if nothing, we can wind up.
Yeah, thank you, Rini. Thank you.
Yeah. So our next meetup will be in March. Okay.
Yeah.
Next month we have a in-person meetup. If Chennai people can join. Okay. Thank you, everyone.